Hey everyone, it's New York Dan here. I hope everyone's having a good day. Yeah, I'm still alive, guys, in case you're wondering where I've been. Yeah, you know what the deal is? I have another channel now. New York Dan is the channel. And I'm doing a video every day I've been doing. Just want to fill you guys in. I am doing work on this Mercedes here, W140. I'm doing that right now today. I'm doing the heater valve. I've been doing stuff on this car. I had the intake manifold out off. A lot of stuff going on. So the deal is I've been posting it over on my other channel, New York Dan. That's where you can find the stuff. In case you're wondering where I've been or what's happening, if you want to see Mercedes W140, that's where to check. That's what I'm working on now. So the latest stuff I'm doing it. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention my other channel's monetized. So that's why it makes sense to do it on that one. And what I'm going to do is that dual valve. I've been searching the internet trying to get this fixed, and I couldn't find a decent video on that duo valve, the heater valve for this car. I'm going to make one up now because no one had it. So if you see one out there that actually explains everything, that's my video, or they copied me. All right, guys, hit the thumbs up, spread the message. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope your summer's going well. I'll see you over on the other channel there, New York Dan. You have to spell it out, the full words. All right, guys, over and out.